I've created the perfect calendar table that you can use both in Excel but also in Power BI. It looks like this. First, you have the date. I set the start date to be the 1st of January 2020. You can change this if you want to. And the last day will be today's date. When I created this, it was the 4th of October. If I just update the table, I will get all the dates until today's date, which is the 13th of October. Then you have the day of the name. This is in Swedish. It will be in your default language on your computer. And the day of the week, starting from 0 going to 7. The month of the name, this also in Swedish. The month number, the quarter, year, if it's a weekend, if it's a work day. The week start date, for example, Monday here will be the same in both date and week start date, and week end will be the same. And then in the end, you have the week range starting from the first to the last day of that week. I will show you how you create this calendar table in Excel or Power BI in just a couple of seconds. This table is created in what's called Power Query, and you could see it as an add-in to Excel, and you'll find it here in the Data tab in the ribbon, and you have here Get and Transform Data. And here you can connect to data, transform it inside of the Power Query editor, and then get it back into either Excel or Power BI. And this calendar table is created from scratch from an empty Power Query connection. So what you do is that you press on Get Data from other sources and a blank query. And basically what you do is that in the description to this video, you'll have the code that will create this calendar table. And you go to Advanced Editor and just paste it here. So I remove this and replace it with this. Here you have the start date, and I've set this to the 1st of January 2020. You can change this if you want to. And the total days will be from the start date to today. And then I inserted a lot of different columns. When I press on Done, you'll see that I get this perfect calendar table. You can add even more columns. What you do is that first you select the column that you want to add columns to. For example, if I select this date column and I go to Add Column, and here to the right you have Date. Here you can add columns. For example, if you want to add the end of quarter, start of quarter, quarter of year for that date column, that's possible. And you can have a look of all the different date options that you can add. And once you're done, you go to the Home tab in the ribbon and press on Close and Load. And here you'll see that you get this perfect calendar table, and it will take you just a couple of seconds to do it by yourself. And this calendar table is very useful when you work with Power BI as well.